Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on human resource management. Multiple choice questions I have included here. This is part 12. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The basic functions of the management process include all of the following except A. Planning, B. Organizing, outsourcing, D. Leading. Correct option is C. Outsourcing. 2. Which of the following is the person responsible for accomplishing an organization's goals by managing the efforts of the organization's people? A. Manager, B. Entrepreneur, C. Journalist, D. Marketeer. Correct option is A. Manager. 3. Which of the following includes 5 basic functions: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling? Correct option is C. The management process. 4. Which function of the management process requires a manager to establish goals and standards and to develop rules and procedures? This is planning. Correct option is A. 5. Claire spends most of her time at work establishing goals for her staff, 50 employees, and developing procedures for various tasks. In which function of the management process does Claire spend most of her time? A. Leading, B. Controlling, C. Organizing, D. Planning. Correct option is D. Planning. 6. Generally, a manager delegates the authority for a project to lead her subordinate. Generally is most likely involved in which function of the management process? The correct option is B. Organizing. 7. When managers use matrices to assess performance and then develop strategies for corrective action, they are performing the dash function of the management process. A. Planning, B. Leading, C. Controlling, D. Organizing. The correct option is C. Control. A. Which function of the management process includes selecting employees, setting performance standards, and compensating employees? A. Organizing, B. Planning, C. Motivating, D. Staffing. The correct option is D. Staff. 9. A manager at a commercial real estate firm has established a monthly sales quota for his sales team. Which basic function of management best describes Larry's actions? A. Planning, B. Organizing, C. Controlling, D. Staffing. The correct option is C. Controlling. 10. That is the process of acquiring, training, appraising, and compensating employees and attending to their labor relations, healthy and safety and fairness concerns. A. Labor relations, B. Human resource management, C. Behavioral management, or D. Organizational health and safety management. The correct option is B. HRM, Human Resource Management. 11. In the management process, which of the following is an activity associated with the leading function? Motivating subordinates. The correct option is A. 12. Personnel activities associated with human resource management most likely include all of the following except the correct option is D. Developing customer relationships. 13. Since human resources is important to all managers, which is not a personal mistake a manager wants to avoid making while managing. The correct option is D. Experience low turnover. 14. Approximately what percentage of the people in the United States work for small firms? Around 50% as per one data survey. 15. Dias is the right to make decisions, to direct the work of others, and to give orders. A. Leadership, B. Authority, C. Management, D. Responsibility. Correct option is B. Authority. 16. Which of the following best defines line authority? The correct option is D. A manager's right to issue orders to other managers or employees. 17. In most organizations, human resource managers are categorized as dash who assist and advise dash in areas like recruiting, hiring, and compensation. The correct option is A. Staff managers, line managers. 18. Gerard is authorized to direct the work of subordinates and is responsible for accomplishing the organization's tasks. Gerard is most likely a DIAS training specialist, B. Staff manager, C. Line manager, or D. Recruiter. Correct option is C. Line manager. 19. Which following is not considered one of the line supervisor's responsibilities for effective human resources management under the general headings outlined by a major company discussed in the text box. A. Protecting employees' health and physical condition. B. Changing employees' attitudes regarding work. C. Developing the abilities of each person. D. Interpreting the company policies and procedures. Correct option is B. Changing employees' attitudes regarding work. 20. A line manager's human resource responsibilities most likely include all of the following except dash. The correct option is D. Marketing new products and 21. Which of the following refers to the authority of a manager? A manager has to advise other managers or employees. A. Staff authority, B. Line authority, C. Functional authority, or D. Corporate authority. Correct option is C. Functional authority. 22. Which of the following is most likely a line function of the human resource manager? Correct option is D. Directing the activities of subordinates in the HR department. 23. One of the dash functions of a human resource manager includes directing the activities of his or her subordinates in the HR department. A. Coordinative, B. Corporate, C. Staff, D. Line. The correct option is D. 24. Will works at a position in his organization where he maintains contacts within the local community and travels to search for qualified job applicants. Will's position is best described as A. Recruiter, B. Manager, C. Labor relations specialist, or D. Job analyst. Correct option is A. Recruiter. 25. Dash functions involve assisting and advising line managers. A. Staff, B. Advocacy, C. Line, D. Coordinative. Correct option is A. Staff. 26. All of the following are major areas in which an HR manager assists and advises line managers except dash. A. Recruiting, B. Hiring, C. Strategic business planning, or D. Compensation. Correct option is C. Strategic business planning. 27. Human resource managers generally occur dash within the human resources department and dash outside the human resources department. The correct option is A. Line authority, staff authority. 28. The HR staff member who has the job of advising management on all aspects of union management aspects is dash. A. Recruiter, B. Line manager, C. Compensation manager, or D. Labor relations specialist. Correct option is D. Labor relations specialist. 20. All of the following are examples of human resource specialties except A. Job analyst, B. Financial advisor, C. Compensation manager, D. Labor relations specialist. Correct option is B. Financial advisor. 30. Ralph works in the HR department and is in charge of developing the plans for how people are paid and how the employee benefits program is run. Ralph is most likely holding the position of A. Training specialist, B. Recruiter, C. Compensation manager, or D. Job analyst. The correct option is C. Compensation manager. All about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of